Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel, where we uncover the secrets to living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life by exploring the fascinating world of Japanese health and wellness practices. In today's video, we will delve into the Japanese secrets to longevity, nutrition, and overall well-being, and discuss how you can incorporate these practices into your own life for a healthier and happier you. In our fast-paced modern world, where stress, pollution, and unhealthy lifestyle choices are rampant, prioritizing our health and well-being has never been more crucial. Health is not just the absence of illness, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Caring for our bodies and minds can enhance our quality of life, boost our energy levels, and prevent chronic diseases. Unique aspects of Japanese lifestyle contributing to longevity. Japan is renowned for having one of the highest life expectancies in the world, with many of its citizens living well into their 80s, 90s, and even beyond. So what is the secret to their longevity? One key factor is their traditional diet. Rich in nutrient-dense foods such as fish, seaweed, tofu, vegetables, and rice. The Japanese practice mindful eating, savoring each bite and stopping when they are 80% full, a practice known as hara hachibu. Additionally, the Japanese have a strong sense of community and social support, which significantly reduces stress and promotes mental well-being. Regular physical activity, such as walking, cycling, and practicing martial arts like judo or karate, is also ingrained in Japanese culture, keeping their bodies strong and agile well into old age. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Benefits of adopting Japanese health secrets. Incorporating elements of the Japanese lifestyle into your routine can reap many benefits for your health and well-being. Eating a diet rich in fresh whole foods can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your digestion, and boost your immune system. Mindful eating practices can also help you develop a healthier relationship with food and prevent overeating. Regular physical activity strengthens your body, enhances your mood, reduces stress, and improves your overall quality of life. Cultivating strong social connections and a sense of community can provide emotional support, reduce feelings of loneliness, and increase your resilience in the face of life's challenges. So join us on this journey as we uncover the Japanese secrets to health and wellness and discover how you can enhance your own well-being by embracing these time-tested practices. Stay tuned for more tips, insights, and inspiration on living your best, healthiest life. Uncover Japanese AI health secrets. In today's video, we will delve into the cutting-edge world of Japanese AI technology and how it transforms healthcare and wellness practices in Japan. From personalized nutrition and fitness plans to early disease detection, AI is revolutionizing how individuals approach their health and well-being, paving the way for a healthier and more informed future. Role of AI in personalized nutrition and fitness plans. One of the most exciting applications of AI in health and wellness is its ability to create personalized nutrition and fitness plans tailored to individual needs and goals. AI algorithms can generate customized recommendations that optimize health outcomes by analyzing vast amounts of data, including genetic information, dietary preferences, activity levels, and health history. In Japan, AI-powered apps and platforms are helping individuals make informed choices about their diet and exercise routines. These tools consider nutrient requirements, food sensitivities, and fitness goals to provide users with personalized meal plans, workout regimens, and real-time feedback to help them achieve their health objectives efficiently and effectively. Specific AI health tools used in Japan for early disease detection. In addition to personalized health plans, AI technology is utilized in Japan for early disease detection and diagnosis. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze medical imaging scans, such as MRIs and CT scans, with incredible speed and accuracy, helping healthcare professionals identify potential health issues at their earliest stages. Furthermore, AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze a wide range of health data, including blood tests, genetic markers, and lifestyle factors, to assess an individual's risk of developing certain diseases and provide proactive recommendations for prevention and early intervention. These tools have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling early detection of conditions such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes, leading to better treatment outcomes and improved patient survival rates. Potential impact of AI on improving longevity and overall health. Integrating AI technology into healthcare and wellness practices in Japan holds immense promise for improving longevity and overall health outcomes. By harnessing the power of AI to deliver personalized, data-driven insights and recommendations, individuals can take proactive steps to optimize their health, prevent disease, and enhance their quality of life. AI has the potential to revolutionize preventive healthcare by empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their health and well-being based on personalized data and insights. Join us on this journey as we uncover the Japanese AI health secrets shaping the future of healthcare and well-being. We will uncover the critical components of the Japanese lifestyle that contribute to longevity and overall well-being, from their traditional diet rich in fresh fish and vegetables to their emphasis on daily physical activity and mindfulness practices. The Japanese have long been admired for their healthy and vibrant way of life. Let's delve into the secrets behind their longevity and discover how to incorporate these practices into your routine for a healthier and happier you. Traditional Japanese diet rich in fresh fish, vegetables, and fermented foods. One of the cornerstones of the Japanese lifestyle that promotes longevity is their traditional diet, centered around fresh, seasonal ingredients. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is a staple in the Japanese diet and is known for its heart-healthy benefits. Vegetables, seaweed, tofu, and fermented foods like miso and natto are also critical components of the Japanese diet, providing a wide array of nutrients and promoting gut health. The Japanese approach to eating is characterized by balance, moderation, and mindfulness. Meals are typically enjoyed slowly, emphasizing savoring each bite and appreciating the flavors and textures of the food. Adopting a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, like those found in Japanese cuisine, can nourish your body with essential nutrients and support your overall health and well-being. Importance of daily physical activity like walking and gardening. In addition to their nutritious diet, the Japanese lifestyle strongly emphasizes daily physical activity as a critical component of maintaining health and longevity. Walking is a popular form of exercise in Japan, with many individuals incorporating regular walks into their daily routines. Strolling through the neighborhood, hiking in nature, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Staying active throughout the day is shared among the Japanese. Gardening is another beloved pastime in Japan that provides physical activity and offers mental and emotional benefits. Activities like tending to a garden, practicing Tai Chi in a park, or participating in traditional martial arts like Kendo or Aikido can help improve balance, flexibility, and overall well-being. Significance of mindfulness practices such as meditation and tea ceremonies. Mindfulness is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture, with practices like meditation and tea ceremonies significantly promoting mental clarity, relaxation, and emotional well-being. Meditation, whether practiced in a formal setting or incorporated into daily activities, can help reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivate inner peace. Tea ceremonies, known as chanoyu or sado, are a traditional Japanese ritual centered around preparing and consuming matcha tea. These ceremonies emphasize mindfulness, presence, and connection with others, providing a moment of tranquility and reflection amid a busy day. By embracing mindfulness practices like meditation and tea ceremonies, you can enhance your mental and emotional resilience, reduce anxiety, and foster a sense of inner harmony. Incorporating elements of the Japanese lifestyle, including their traditional diet, daily physical activity, and mindfulness practices, can help you unlock the secrets to a long and healthy life. By embracing these time-tested practices, you can nourish your body, mind, and spirit, and cultivate a lifestyle that promotes longevity, vitality, and overall well-being. Join us as we explore the Japanese secrets to health and longevity, and discover how you can enhance your quality of life through these transformative practices: wellness, nutrition, longevity, healthy style. This part of the video will delve into the interconnected aspects of wellness, nutrition, longevity, and healthy living within the Japanese context. Let's explore how these elements come together to support longevity and overall well-being in the Japanese lifestyle. Balanced nutrition and its role in promoting longevity and overall health. Balanced nutrition is a cornerstone of the Japanese approach to health and well-being. The emphasis is on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods to support longevity and vitality. The traditional Japanese diet, characterized by its abundance of fresh fish, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods, provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote overall health. By incorporating a diverse range of foods into their meals, the Japanese ensure that they receive a balanced mix of macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals necessary for optimal health. This balanced approach to nutrition supports physical well-being and contributes to mental clarity, energy levels, and immune function, all of which are essential for longevity and overall vitality. Significance of holistic wellness practices like hot spring baths and forest bathing. In addition to nutrition, holistic wellness practices play a vital role in the Japanese lifestyle, contributing to physical and mental well-being. Hot spring baths, known as onsen, are a popular tradition in Japan that offers numerous health benefits, including relaxation, stress relief, improved circulation, and skin rejuvenation. The mineral-rich waters of onsens are believed to promote healing and detoxification, making them a cherished part of Japanese culture. Forest bathing, or shinrin-yoku, is another holistic wellness practice that involves immersing oneself in nature and soaking up the healing energies of the forest. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, boost mood, and enhance overall well-being. The Japanese cultivate a sense of harmony and balance that supports longevity and vitality by connecting with the natural world through activities like forest bathing. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for promoting longevity and overall well-being, and the Japanese lifestyle exemplifies this commitment to health and wellness. In addition to nutritious eating and holistic wellness practices, the Japanese prioritize regular physical activity, social connections, and stress management as critical components of a healthy lifestyle. Engaging in activities like walking, cycling, or practicing traditional martial arts strengthens the body, enhances mental clarity, reduces stress, and promotes well-being. Cultivating solid social connections through community involvement, family gatherings, and shared meals fosters a sense of belonging and support that contributes to emotional resilience and longevity. By emphasizing the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle that encompasses balanced nutrition, holistic wellness practices, and physical activity, the Japanese have unlocked the secrets to longevity and well-being. Adopting these principles into your life can enhance your health, vitality, and overall quality of life, and embark on a long and healthy future. Join us as we explore the interconnected aspects of wellness, nutrition, longevity, and healthy living in the Japanese context, and discover how to cultivate a lifestyle that promotes longevity and well-being. Japanese lifestyle offers a wealth of wisdom and practices that can significantly enhance our well-being and quality of life. By embracing the critical components of the Japanese approach to health, including balanced nutrition, holistic wellness practices, and a commitment to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, we can unlock the secrets to longevity, vitality, and overall wellness. We invite you to take inspiration from the Japanese approach to health and well-being and consider incorporating aspects of their lifestyle practices into your daily routine. Whether trying new recipes inspired by the traditional Japanese diet, taking time to unwind in nature through forest bathing, or practicing mindfulness through meditation or tea ceremonies, there are countless ways to infuse your life with the wisdom of Japanese health secrets. Suppose you found this video informative and inspiring. In that case, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, tips, and insights on living a vibrant and fulfilling life. By liking and sharing this video with your friends and family, you can help spread the message of Japanese health secrets and empower others to embrace a lifestyle that promotes longevity, vitality, and well-being. Let's embark on a journey towards better health and a brighter future together. In conclusion, by adopting elements of the Japanese lifestyle and incorporating their health secrets into our lives, we can cultivate a foundation for long-lasting health, happiness, and vitality. Let's embrace Japanese health practices' wisdom and embark on a healthier, more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to sharing more insights and inspiration with you in the future. Stay tuned for more health-related content and prioritize your well-being daily.